Okay, we are going to make easy chicken quesadillas, Spanish rice, and refried beans. You're going to need, well, we used 4 leg quarters. You can use as many as you want. You're also going to need some flour tortillas. Some people use corn. I like to use flour. Some McCormick chicken taco mix, 1 or 2 depending on how much seasoning you like. We're going to make the Spanish rice, in which we add diced tomatoes and, of course, water and refried beans. My daughter's going to cut some tomatoes, and she's also going to shred the cheese while we're waiting for the chicken to cool. I want to say it boiled about 45 minutes. After it cooled, we took it all off the bone and we shredded it.
Shoot it! Mello, let me kiss.
Today was a good day for me and kind of a
Let me
nice
kiss.
day for me.
Ooh, say please. Uh-oh. Now to make our quesadilla, we're going to put the tortilla down. It's so easy, you guys. Tortilla. Then we're going to grab some meat. Let's see. Chicken. This is chicken, shredded chicken. Sorry, I'm not good at taping and cooking at the same time. Okay. Tomatoes. Okay. A bunch of cheese. I'm going to put the top on it. And yes, my hands are clean. In case you're wondering, we're just going to leave that there till we notice the cheese on the inside starts to melt. Then we're going to flip it over. I usually let it sit there about a minute or 2. You can also use a spatula, lift up the bottom, and when you notice it's starting to get a little brown, then you know it's done on that side. Can never find a spatula when I need one. So let me wait for a minute for that to melt. Let's see what it's doing. Not a lot yet. So when that's done, we'll flip it over and come right back. Okay, it's probably been about 2 minutes, maybe even 3. I guess I had the heat lower than expected. All I did was flip it over. Inside, looking good. And that's pretty much it. We're going to make some Spanish rice and refried beans, and I will try to post a picture at the end of that, and that's about it. Alright, bye guys.